You think you're in control of your body? Think again. There is a hidden system in your brain that reacts to the world before you even know it's happening. It's not a reflex, and it's not instinct. It's light. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why your light bulbs are more powerful than your morning coffee, and how they might be the reason you can't focus. The speed of sight. It takes exactly 13 milliseconds for light to hit your retina and reach your brain's visual center. But here's the crazy part. Within 300 milliseconds, faster than you can blink, that signal has already hit your brainstem and triggered a physical movement. You are literally wired to react to your environment before your conscious mind even gets the memo. You're a passenger in a body that's already moving. But light isn't just for seeing. Only 15 years ago, scientists discovered a back door in the brain. It's a specialized system that acts like a biological remote control. It doesn't help you see images. It regulates your internal clock, your hunger, your mood, your focus. They're all being toggled by this switch. When we tickle this part of the brain with the right light, we can stabilize your entire neurological rhythm. Get it wrong, and your brain stays in a permanent state of jet lag. This starts way earlier than you think. Light is the literal trigger for an infant's first breath. But it gets darker. If teenagers don't get proper light-dark cycles, their executive function, the part of the brain that handles decision-making, might not form correctly. This isn't a phase. It's a permanent structural change. We are raising a generation in artificial dimness and wondering why impulse control is at an all-time low. What if I told you that sky blue light is more effective than 90 milligrams of caffeine? NASA uses this on the International Space Station. Specific blue-enriched light gives astronauts that wake-up signal without the jitters or the 3 p.m. crash. On the flip side, warm amber light isn't just cozy. It's a chemical signal that tells your brain it's safe to relax. In offices with the right lighting, people actually perceive their coworkers as more competent. You don't need a new boss. You might just need a better bulb. This isn't just about productivity. It's about survival. Premature babies gain weight faster and go home sooner when lighting matches their biological rhythm. In psychiatric wards, stabilized lighting has been shown to significantly reduce suicidal thoughts. We've spent 100 years mastering the visibility. Now, we're finally mastering biology. So tomorrow morning, don't just reach for the coffee, reach for the blinds.